Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. आज 8281 के आसपास है spot reference around 10 paisa, gap down 10-11 paisa. Now this 8280 and then 8260, these are the major support levels जिसका chart हम लोगों ने Telegram channel पे share किया है. और last Thursday in the same group we shared the chart where we said that higher high and higher low से lower low lower high the USD INR is forming, which is a clear sign of a downtrend. So downtrend is marked. Important support levels अभी देखना है कि ये सब support levels को तोड़ पाता है कि नहीं. अगर USD INR is able to breach these support levels, then we can see a lot of momentum come back in the market. Now momentum कहाँ से आ सकता है? एक तो हो सकता है कि futures में जहाँ पे volume is still shallow, that can pick up as traders jump into the futures market to short USD INR. दूसरा, exporters who have kept themselves unhedged can come into the market and sell dollars. So वहां से भी एक momentum आ सकता है. तीसरा, there is a heavy put writers around 83 and below levels. So वहां से भी एक selling आ सकता है to protect their positions, because when you sell a put option and it becomes in the money, you need to either square off your trade or sell futures to prevent larger or bigger losses. So ये सब चीज can trigger strong downside momentum. But what can kill it? Of course, the RBI intervention. Agar RBI comes in at current levels and start buying dollars significantly, so then of course this downtrend will be short-circuited. But that's something we have to see whether it happens or not. As of now, we have to assume that your downtrend hai, that has a higher likelihood of catching momentum. And if that happens, we will add to a short position, because we are holding a put option 83 put. So we'll simply add to that short position. And cross currencies mein, if you look at what is happening, euro dollar is overall holding up. It's range bound. Matlab last ek hafte se it has been in a range. Dollar GBP dollar is showing much more strength. Ek upward drift ka hai. And if you look at dollar yen, it's also holding. It had gone up last week. फिर उसके बाद Thursday, Friday we saw a downward pullback, and now आज it is in the morning going sideways. Japan में जो 2-year yields है, they have dropped below the 0% mark. So that can be a negative development for the yen specifically, क्योंकि जो yen carry traders है, they like the yield differential, and that yield differential between yen and rupee or yen or dollar is quite compelling, and that can bring in more sellers in yen INR. So they sell, they hold the position and carry it, they roll it over in the expiry. But यहाँ पे it's a high risk strategy, क्योंकि if the yen starts to appreciate much more than the yield differential, then you can incur large losses. So any such trades needs to be done with a proper stop loss. Or we have been saying that dollar yen में the trend is upward and yen INR में the trend is downward. But अगर positional stop maintain करना है, then that should be kept at 140 on the dollar yen, which will be roughly around 59, 50, 60, depending on where USD INR is. So around 59, 50 levels on the yen INR. Uske upar yen INR is trading, then exit all your shots, because you need to have a proper stop on yen carry trades. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.